All right, so everybody, we just got through pressing all the seals and bearings and retainers on the Nissan 04 Nissan Titan LE with the Dana rear Dana 44. These are rear axles. Don't forget to put your snap ring on last. So let's do it. All right, so got my big Icon pliers. You see your groove there. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but we're gonna try. Oh, shoot. Huh. I actually got lucky that time. Usually one-handed does not work. Booyah. Now she's complete. Now I just gotta get the chunk done. On to the other axle. One axle done. Booyah.